Yeah. Hello, how are you? I love everybody.
First of all, I didn't even enjoy the sex. Sasisebhasini, si-uncomfortable. Qha sasifuna ubingene qha. Yangena-ke, sangichama nochama, sayindile. Ewe, ndandirhala. I remember that day because ndandirhala. Did I enjoy? No. Did I come? No. Ubhuti xa ucile ke he enjoyed because he came wangishiya nengculazi wangishiya nomntana.
Sihamba sibhejana namadoda Thixo ngeemali zethu. But I think I didn't frustrate her, okay? I'm like, God, you need to finance it. Because now, iphuma kuthi and asinayo.
Nani malisbn. Musana ukuthula mabathi abafana izinja. You. Sisonke madoda.
I don't know whose ex I'm dating right now. But this one is completely rubbish.
Wena uyabheda. Lento yenza nje umbhedo nje umsangani iyeke.
I'm curious.
Yabo, okay, let me
If you don't mind,
do this.
I will blow it.
You cannot like that's the whole
Angazi ukuthi igama lika Dominic langena kanjani kodwa ukungena kwegama lika Dominic lokho kwenza ukuthi impilo yamfana ishintshe ingaphindi ifane nakuqala kodwa ingashintshi ngendlela enhle ishintshe ngendlela embi.
Welcome back to the Most High Secret Place. You just tapped into the Southern Hemisphere. Welcome to Hill Care, my royal people. Eish, I'm too close to the mic. Word of the day: highlight the power of being true to yourself, letting go of fake roles, and choosing realness over perfection. Ooh. So what does it mean? According to me, it means that your greatest strength comes from living as your authentic self instead of trying to meet other people's expectations. So in simple words, be yourself, stop pretending, don't chase perfection, chase authenticity. That's where your real strengths and happiness come from. So yeah. I hope everybody's alright. If you're new here, make sure you do like and subscribe. Join the family. Don't worry, we just gonna be reacting over some real life stories and mind-boggling videos that we found on the net. So without further ado, let's jump straight to it.
Kodwa siyabathanda abantu abangasithandi. Ayisabathanda abantu abangasithandi. Abangasizwa, abangenendaba tu nathi siyabathanda.
Akekho umuntu ondithandayo. Akekho umuntu ongibuzayo Ntokozo uba ndihlile na, ndilale kakuhle na. Akekho umuntu Ntokozo umuntu endilelela kuye xa ndinengxaki.
Bayakhala abafowethu. But now the question is, wena unayo umuntu okuthandayo, wena unayo umuntu okucheckayo ukuthi udlile, right na? Do you also check them back now? And if you do, when was the last time?
Uzohambe funana nawe kuyo yonke imphefumulo ladibana nayo othandweni. Angisho ngalesikhathini sathandana bekakubona uyisilima and ngeke azakuthole mntana sekhaya ngoba you are one of the kind.
Ladies, you should know this secret. Now, when a man starts asking money from you, he is planning to marry you. So it's usually a test, and you don't need to fail that test. So if you have money, send him. And if you don't have, go and borrow.
I don't know whose ex I'm dating right now. But this one is completely rubbish.
Nani malisbn. Musana ukuthula mabathi abafana izinja. You. Sisonke madoda.
Maybe me no understand what's kwenzala nemshadweni because I've never been there, but like ayikhalisi. I don't wanna lie. Uyayikhalela because it's such a beautiful thing when those people go to your home, the whole ceremony. Listen, I don't mind the event, the wedding, and the food, and the drinks, and the pictures. But why, imagine after the wedding, why do I have to go?
It's a pity that most of us who have given up on love are the ones who wanted the old kind of love, the real love, the genuine love. And it's unfortunate that the kind of love our hearts are searching for wasn't made for this generation.
Single ladies le kae? Le ba jolang le kae? Wirala.
Benzothetha into but okay. Chomi, sihamba sibhejana namadoda Thixo ngemali zethu. I'm sorry. Imali esizikhuphayo. Just to satisfy a man. A man who's ungrateful. Ozokuxelela ukubana bengingacelanga kakade. Andithethi ngawe Chomi. How far are you willing to go for him? Yintontombi leno uzawuphuma nantoni na uthi ndizayenza because it's for God. Xa ndisithi ndenza imali kwezi zinto andenza imali. Okay. Hallelujah. Look. Hallelujah. I don't want to lie. I understand the vision, you know? I understand. But I think I didn't frustrate her, okay? I'm like, God, you need to finance it. Because now, iphuma kuthi and asinayo. But then, ndibuya ingqondo ba, oh, kodwa Chomi, kudala wakhupha imali kwezinye indawo. Now, it's the project that God is assigning you to. So, andiyazi uzayenza njani, who's going to finance it? Kusekho sasikroba, we'll still continue to do it. It's okay. We'll still continue to do it.
Yakhala sister. Mjolo uyanyisa bafowethu. Hey.
How so?
Every woman expects every man to be successful.
Yeah?
Antoine. Every woman, their ideal man is a successful man. For every woman. I even said it on Machita Mandi, I said, women paint a picture of a man that they want.
Yeah.
Then they expect you to fit in that picture. And if you can't fit in that picture, according to them, you are not man enough because you don't fit in the picture that she has drawn. And it's a problem. I can be the picture that you want, but it means you need to groom me to be that picture. You understand what I mean? I can't come as perfect as your picture.
Okay, to add to what this guy is saying, there's nothing wrong with having an image of a man in your head, even though that man doesn't exist. As long as you acknowledge and understand that that man that is in your head also has a picture of what a real woman is in his head. It's not that the men that are in your head that you say a man must don't exist. It's not that they are hard to find. It's just that you are also not that woman that is in his head. When you tell them that truth, now it becomes heartless. Now it becomes overwhelming. Now it becomes power dynamic. This is why you find a lot of women pointing at the men that they want, who do not approach them, but approach other women, and then they call it power dynamic. Why is it power dynamic when the man has his own idea of what a woman is? And it's not power dynamic when you have a picture in your mind of what a real man is. I need a real man is successful. A real man has his own place. A real man has money. A real man agana teaspoon. That's your idea. That real man that is in your head. A real woman agana ma body count. Agana ma ex. Humble, submissive gowe. You are not submissive, number one. That's why you have an image in your head of what a real man should be. There's a reason why amadoda rich, angajul namantombazana rich. bese makajola nentombazane ehluphekayo bese uyibiza nge-power dynamic uthi no, they choose these ladies who are poor because they want to have control over them. It has nothing to do with being poor. It has everything to do with submission. You can earn the same salary as him and be submissive to him. You can earn the same salary as him and be loyal to him. You can earn the same salary as him and have no sexual experience. Then you are the ideal lady. Because he becomes the leader, you follow. It has nothing to do with poverty. Problem is the man. You put money here. You understand? Because the man that you say you want, most of the time you don't need those men. It's just a picture that you were taught by the media. Yeah, but you were taught by TV, you were taught by the movies that you watch that a man needs to have this, a man needs to be this feet tall, a man needs to own this, a man needs to look like this, a man needs to be successful, a man. You learn these things. They didn't just come to your mind. You learned it from what you watch on your phone, what you see outside, and then you took that and then you implanted it in your head. And then tomorrow, the same man that you have a picture of, don't approach you. You start calling them gays. You start calling them names. You start saying, no, they want to control. It's a power dynamic. Those men don't exist. No, they do exist. You are just not their type. For example, I heard a lady say, where did the real men go? The real men are there. It's just that they don't approach you. That's all. Because real men want real women. You cannot be afraid to sleep around and live life the way you want and talk the way you want and always want to be a controlling one in the relationship and expect to get a high quality man. I've never seen a woman that is controlling, a woman that is focused on what kind of man she wants. Date a high quality man. They never date them. They sleep with them, yes. They never date them. That's why they are so frustrated. As much as you ladies have a picture of a man in your head, that man that you have a picture of in your head also has a picture of a woman in his head. So are you that woman in his head? If not, don't expect any other man to match that picture in your head. Because even if a man says, groom me to be that man in your head, you will say, what kind of a man wants to be groomed? But every man is groomed. Either a man is groomed by his father, or he's groomed by his mother, or he's groomed by his community or society. But every man is groomed. There's no such thing. What kind of a man wants to be built? Every man is built. You see that man that drives a Range Rover that you want was built either by his mother, by his father, or by his community. Just like every woman has been built. You see that prostitute standing over there? She was built by someone. You don't want to be builders, but you have a house in your head, the type of house you want, but you don't want to build it. You just want it to be out there somewhere. No, this house is small. It's not the house that I have in my head. You think who will build that house in your head? Because you have to build it up. What I'm trying to say is, you have a certain type of man that you want in your head. Those men don't want you. If you want that man like that in your head, you need to build that man to be identical to what is here in your head. You think there's a man just standing there that matches your thoughts, that's waiting for you. You skip out on a lot of good men looking for something you'll never have. I heard a lady say, I want a God-fearing man. I always hear ladies say these things. I want a man that fears God. You think there's a man that fears God there that's waiting for you? Meanwhile, you have a next door neighbor, a boy from next door. Why don't you introduce that man to Christ? Why don't you take that guy to church? so he can believe in God. You think there's a man out there who was born believing in God, who was born believing in God? No, there's a woman or there's a man that took that man to church so he can believe in God. Young Tol, you don't want to build nobody. Young Tol, you just want what you want that was built by somebody else. This is why you go for married men most of the time. You want a man that has a house, a car, and all these things, a man that is respected by the society. You see that man, you want that man. His wife made him like that. She prayed for him. He took him to church. He made him quit drugs.
That was a long one. But besides that, he did make some valid points subjectively. So I want to know what you think. Write down in the comments.
Ithi mina kuyibhuti wami usafuna ukulobola usafuna ukuganwa nje. Bayeke belobole ngamabhonasi belobole behambise ibizo bembathise bekhehlise. Ungaxhamazeli. Bakhona abaxhamazile bona bangabelobola nabalobola kanti balanda inkinga bayifaka emagcekeni akibo. Abasazi manje inkinga bazoyikhipha kanencinga. Lo muntu naye mbukusisa ukuthi lelakini leli njeya uzolimela yini, lesimo sakini uzosimela yini, leya family yakho nayo uzoyimela yini. Baningi bagaxele manje, bagana beku competition, bagana bexoxa kwamandla amaningi, bexoxa ukuthanda ulusho umuntu engakavula amehlo. Nawe bhekelo wakho ukuthi usima kanjani before umfake kini. Wanomfazi ongazi ukuguqa nje ukuqala lokho minus. Ngeke uthi umfazi unganike umnyeni wakho ukudlumile, udunisile. Akwazi. Intombi engazi kumanje ukuthi noma unikeza ukudla ayibeke somewhere. Ingakuphathi ngesandla, ibeke noma etrain noma iplate nelinye ke. Ovela nathi unike inja nje. Akwazi ukwenza lokho. Vula
Yini kuphela indvodza leshadile eSouth Africa leyo khuluma lendo le kwanama ngaze ngayiva yokhulunywa ngimi kuphela bantu baphile ngayo. Athi ngiyikhulume fast intomuka lishonile mfowethu wami ngilenzile. Matfotsa onga se-South Africa thina matfotsa injabulo yethu iveli phele so. Uthi sewufunzile wena ungidokotela ubuya kohaslisha ungusomabhizinisi wendeni sewuhamba kahle unelikhala elihle nebanvana udrive iraptor manje injabulo yakho iphela so. Just 1 second. Sibulawa in Matfotsa into lenkulu kakhulu ekufuna sizame ngamandla siyimanage tinganuko leti unlimited whereby uqala as a man ubona abantwana nje bagcoke ama leggings bema 2000 nema bum short uthi hey mina ngiyashisa ngilibaba sithi masihleti Smartfotsa uqhamuka egroundini ngemoto yakho namhla sikhomba lokho sasikhomba lokho sasikhomba sithi ile kumjita lokho ku blind lokho yabona ubathola njani sicakeke sikhulume sihleke kube mnanzi kanzi ubhizi nje kunamunye umntwana ule phambili le udlalwe bafana sowudziniwe naye ul 2000 uthi yabona lo tothi thela nyalo lakimi that one will pay the price uyaqhamuka wona umthola umile endleleni ugcwe ama leggings uthi gce uyamela ngalift uyamlayisha uyamtshela lo hlalo batshela wona uyavuma mfana abantu umthengela amasavana utana yikithi njengenhlala yenza uyamkhomba uyasikhomba sishatandla uyingcwedi lesikhathi wena njalo wena ubuka yena uthi ubuka lamathanga naye ubuka le steering sale moto ubuka le moto uvale simele sila kule moto SMSela abangani uthi ngalithola yini nithini ligama lela ligutsumela mngani wami ngalelo langa uyawuhamba uthenga etshwala nibhuke kube mnanzi makuphela uyothi phela faka phela uthi uyadlala lesi sikhathi mfana abantu ukubona urich kanzakade usinale moto yayibhadarela ngenyanga nawe uphila ngebudget uqanso uyadlala uyiSaturday bayokulanza Sunday labo babe labagcoka ama uniform awukavumelani nabo nalomntwana mara kodwa bona ene lalela ukuthi kushaya kuphi nabakuthatha uyalala kuba iMonday bakushanga ebheli uyabuya ya 2000 uyamhleka lo mntwana uthi wena hayi umkhonini ngisikhuluma ngenyanga ya February leso sikhathi
uyo-attenda le case uzuyijabulele. Ungayi-attenda from lo February till lo February next year. Le khathi sesiya ku-August enyangeni yabomake bakubhange lapho bathi lo babe lo sifuna kona ngayi example uyogwetshwa lijaji lemfati leli ke nalo la abuse wayinvotha lithi lo senda ngayisibonelo. Uyakwazi khathi so attend a case so ijwayele uthi noma usuka emajiteni uthi bangani bami ngithi ngathenda lokho case ngiyabuya ngifuna sijikela his view kanzi lelo la awuyobuya ukwala ugqoka isudu uphelele lapha na ucetha. But you are hereby being sentenced 25 years imprisonment with no bail. What. Umawuthi phethe kahle 15 years damhlala. Mngani wami ubona ngathi uyaphupha. Bowukuva lapha uthi uraza. Awusamuki nokukhiya imoto noma bowuvulela ifastero kancane. You leave everything there uyaphansi. That's where reality comes in. Kuthi kuba ngizange nganyathela le break ngavula ifastero ngagibelesa lombane. Bo blind mara usekho blind. Lokhu buhlungu kakhulu lesikhathi lomfati sekacala kuvisit ejele. Sometimes ingcono la invota le visit umfati ukuthi itshontshe imali estate njengabo Kate Mahlala. Ngoba le mali bayibonini. Umfati wakho sowuphuma endlini yokuvakashela for i-rape. Invona yelanayo. Emntwaneni lomncane. Ekugcineni konke futhi lokhu buhlunga lokuthi awuboshwa njengabo Malema nabo Zuma ukuthi bathi President Jacob Zuma has been ordered to come to prison. He's been sentenced. He must come and avail himself on Tuesday. Akuna Tuesday same time. Kuphelile nemoto iphele 15 years now we had kwendeka nalo mfati songekho. So bangani bami silwa nje sifuna impilo. Impumelelo yenvotsa siya kwathi song. Thina manje sifuna lokuningi. Sifuna umfati lohloniphako, sifuna abantwana, sifuna likhaya, sifuna imali, sifuna imoto, sifuna nayo yonke lento leyo. Yabona, wathola leto tinvo as a man you feel sikonke soku-right. But mngani wami, isikhathi lomake sekufuna kuvakashela, akulethele isikhaftini, senvo lo wena angakuthumi kuyo. Lobugudzumela bujika bugudzumele wena. Asibeni bobabe laba leader by example. Akukutfole bathi ku-exile le. Ubalekile noma usebenza ekugcina emasotsheni uhlala 5 months. Hayi lo ukuthi usuka la. Nangabe ungumuntu ohlala la engodini. La emuva kamaporo sebakumangalele. Wena uhlala ngala kaKhelias. Hayi. Ngiyabekisa ngalendlela. So bangani bami, injabulo yenvotsa icetfa ngilokho. Thank you family. Ngibutile namhla ukuthi yini into lende nangifollower. Labane ngibathi bona sikufollowa ngenxa yemaqiniso nemculo wakho. Ngiyabuyela manje emaqinisweni. Ngihlahlabula amaqiniso kuphela. Ngiyamculela. uNkulunkulu anibusise.
Just to add on top what he just said, a man really needs peace, guys. So singamadoda kahle kahle yabona like umuntu wesimama usinikeza ipeace. Hayi mfana yo is a keeper yabo. So just find somebody who's gonna love you the way you are, people. Just find someone who's gonna respect you. Akwazi ukuxolisa if I'm wrong ngithola into leyo. Nikwazi ukuphilisana. Yazi umuntu ozogaya respect mfethu akunikeza ipeace. Oh, that's a keeper right there. But let's continue with the video.
Hi guys. Yo. Hey. Hi. Kodwa kuthiwa thou shall not judge. We listen.
We don't judge.
Anyways, guys, molweni. Usisi uyandibhalela apha. Uthi Yolanda, this is something that I've never told to anyone. I mean literally anyone. Dithi mntasekhaya, this is a safe space. Talk to me. I feel like a brutal fruit alone. I didn't with this guy because guys, you guys tell me izinto zoyikisa because what do you mean? Ukubana usisuqalela lento ingaka. I didn't judge, but I'm just shocked. I'm just shocked. Anyways, what does it say? Hi Yolanda. Dingusisi apa in my early 30s. Sandro Sam back in 2017. ndandisuke eGoli ndisiya e-Eastern Cape yebo. So njengoba ndikhwele ibhasi ke ndihleli apha eca komnye ubhuti. Hayi Yolanda ndifuna ukuxoka, he was not type wayengekho right, wayengengomuntu right. He was not bad either, but he was just an ordinary guy. Would I have dated him? No. Tasekhaya qhubeka kaloku. Kwenzeka ntoni ke nje mhleli xoko lobhuti? Yolanda. Mhlawumbe ke ngoku ibhasi ihamba isima ke. Mna ndinefleece apha ebhasini. Ndinquma lo bhuti uzithe silamba man. Ndimbuza uba ufuna ukombatha, hayi ke sombathe ke. Ngabe ndimane ndilala ke ebhasini, caba nje ndilale ndingqayame kuye yabo. Athi xa yothenga ke njengoba ibhasi imane isima, xa yothenga ke afika ndiphathelele ipie nechips nam yabo. Xa ndilala apha ebhasini ke mane ndingqayama. Nam xa ndiyothenga ndimthengele naye nqomba, okay fine, he's a nice guy. Yolanda, I just don't know how it happened. What happened? What do you mean you don't know what happened? No, Yolanda, listen. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. Yolanda, ndathi ndisangqayame kuye egxalabeni. I don't know how isandla sakhe safika saresta on my thighs mntasekhaya. Yes, I felt that. Ndivile Yolanda bana isandla sakhe is too close ke ngoku sam. But that shut up. Njengoba ndirestile ke Yolanda naye ke caba uma neresta xa ndileli kwelinye icala. Oh mntasekhaya yangilom resto. One thing led to the other. I don't know how it happened, but sazibhaka silapha ebhasini sizama ukuyifaka, trying to make sure bana other people ababalapha ebhasini abasiboni basenza ntoni, because asiseduhanga. Hey Yolanda, sizame ke ukuyifaka man mna nalo mfana bana ingene. We also trying so that other people don't know what is happening. Tasekhaya yenzeka ke caba ke yafakeka ndazumeka kanjalo ebhasini kumfana engamaziyo. Still after sizomene ke siswam, don't you think bana sesa cold to each other? No. Sesibizana baby, sendilala kuye elala kum yonke le distance siswam. Saphinda ke Yolanda, don't you think basikhangisa? Sesaphinda kwalapha esitting kule ndawo sihleli kuyo mntasekhaya. Sazumana. It was a very uncomfortable sex because sana sizama singavakali apha kule bhasi bana siyatyana. Hayi ke yenza ke sex siswami. Hayi ke we exchanged numbers, wahlika edolophini yakhe yabe mna ndizohlika kwelandelayo. No problem. Simane sincokola ke Yolanda yaphela ke inqobo yabanda I lost contacts zakhe and stuff. Yolanda, tell me how or why. Okay. And he hasn't disguised, but Yolanda, 5 months down the line, there's a guy. And the city bana. No man, there's something happening apa kule region. Dinomca omnyama, every period samzi on and off. The period samzi as a period kekade ezi street. The on and off. Hey, nendlela nditya ngayo my boobs. Don't. Hey, mzala wamazothi. Ambo testa wena. You're pregnant. Tatubani, Asoza, I don't have a man, and I'm not sexually active. You, Yolanda. Yes, son. I'm listening to you telling me it's a story, and we understand it because I'd like to know, mana, what happened. Amabele, umit Yolanda. They meet 5 months pregnant. Okay. Did you tell him that you are pregnant? Don't man pregnant because I don't have his contacts anymore. I don't even know his name. After that, and then we lost contact. Like we didn't care. I'm pregnant. And guess what, Yolanda? Test for the pregnancy. They test you for HIV. Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't tell me. Don't. Yes, Yolanda. Oh, that's a car. So, Yolanda, I tested positive for pregnancy. 5 months. I'm going to teen. And HIV positive. Yolanda, I just don't know. Like, that was like the most devastating state of my life. I'm going to go inyanga zi 5 Nancy Chive, like a lot was just happening. I did not tell no one, Kai. Yes, I told them, but I didn't meet every narcissist and stuff, but anything. Kubani utata umntana. Oh Thixo wami angikanoyithetha Yolanda ndizathi ngwani because andimazi mina qala lamfana. Yolanda, if I would meet lamfana today singadlula nendleleni andisamkhumuli nobunjani. I can't even describe him. Yolanda, we were ebhasini ebusuku wafika kuqala kunami kusemnyama. I don't know how the guy looks like. I know uba wohlika kweyiphi town. Ha, igama lakhe, inamba yakhe, wathi usebenza mine, and that's it. I don't know him. I've got a child apha Yolanda. Umntanam noku ukhulile ngoku, big girl. Sisu wam andimazi utatakhe. Utatakhe wandishiya nesifo, wandishiya nomntana. I do not know this man. That's okay. I have never told this to anyone. Umntanam is not a product of rape. Umntanam kumntana nje owenziwe ebhasini with someone that I do not know whatsoever. Ndasekhaya ndithi man khe ndiyisuse lento apha kum because andiyazi wena ndize ndimfumene njani lapho uthi noba ndingaqala ngaba ukumkhangela. I don't know. How do I start looking for a man? Ndithini ndithi ndifuna ubhuti endandikhwele naye ebhasini ngo-October 2016 ngedate ethile. I'm not even sure about the date Yolanda, but I remember kwakungo-October ngedate ethile ndisiza apha emakhaya yena uhluka edolophini ethile satyana iphelele apha. Is that sufficient information? I don't think it is, because the son of Yolanda does at least igama ananegama lakhe ananekhampani ayiphengelelayo. I don't know anything. Sendimona Yolanda nomkhombe because andimanomazi. That's okay. But here I am, ndingumama womntana wakhe, and he left me with a virus. Yolanda, that night changed my life forever. It completely changed my life forever. Yolanda, ndiyayicapukela that night because first of all, I didn't even enjoy the sex. Sasisebhasini, uncomfortable. Qha sasifuna bingene qha. Yangena ke, sandichama nochama, sayindive ewe ndandirhala Yolanda. I remember that day because ndandirhala, like my clit was throbbing. It wanted to be penetrated. Like my vagina wanted to be penetrated. But did I enjoy? No. Did I come? No. Ubhuti xa ucile ke he enjoyed because he came one share nengculazo one share nomntana. I'm not asking for advice or anything. I have been keeping this for 10 years. I have never, ever told anyone about this. As a matter of fact, nobody has started so story. No one has asked about this because Zanganaiti boom nakubani na. Huh? No guys, anifuna ngibona ndithule nini. Yeah. Anifuna ngibona ndithule nini. Because yo, this is the biggest yours of yours. Mandaze, she's not looking for advice. She's just venting basically because she knows now she might never, ever find this man. She might never find this man. She doesn't even remember how he looks like. The only thing she remembers is that her vagina was throbbing and it wanted to be penetrated. Ya penetrate wa, come up and then nobody left her with two permanent things, umntana and this virus. Hayandiyazi guys. Oh no. This is like this. I feel like this is enough for this one takes the cup. Yeah.
Yo, what a life-changing dilemma. Yo. Uthi uyatshontsha kanti so uzimoshela impilo mfethu. Ayish, life mara. Hey madoda.
Bafethu asikhandi ziyenzeka. Uma ngabe wawu-active ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ngonyaka ka-2023 kuya ku-2024, uzoyikhumbula le nsizwa esancane lena engiyifake lapha. Ngizothi nje yadlala ubi ikakhulukazi laphayana ku-TikTok naku-Facebook kuyo leyo mnyaka. Ikakhulukazi-ke kimi ukumqaphela ngonyaka ka-2024. Mhlawumbe-ke nizomkhumbula umfana ngobuhlakani bakhe, indlela akabuka ngayo izinto, indlela ahlaziya ngayo izinto, enza nje imifanekiso yakhe ezincokolela ikakhulukazi-ke futhi elungisa iy'nkulumo zabantu abakade besuke mhlawumbe bekhuluma umuntu mhlawumbe enze lelo phuthane enkulumeni emuhle kakhulu ukuqaphela lezo zinto lezo. Kwathi-ke umfana uma kuqhubeka isikhathi siyabona usenyamalele, nokho-ke kukhona lokho ukuthi phela umuntu uzonyamalala, ikakhulukazi yena ngoba phela ube umfundi wesikole ngaleso sikhathi. Bekulindelekile ngoba phela-ke kufanele abuye afocuse ey'ncwadini zakhe zesikole. Kuthena-ke uma ngabe enyamalala sonke sididekile, wabuya-ke manje useyacacisa-ke ukuthi bekwenzakaleni. Umfana-ke khona ividiyo ayenza, wayepromotha nje amateku. Angazi-ke ukuthi igama likaDominic langena kanjani, kodwa ukungena kwegama likaDominic lokho kwenza ukuthi impilo yamfana ishintshe ingaphindi ifane nakuqala, kodwa ingashintshi ngendlela enhle, ishintshe ngendlela embi. uDominic-ke wadecide ukuthi ngenxa yalo mfanekiso wenziwe lo mfana wafaka igama lakhe akamvulele icala, ngoba lapho umsola ngokuthi uyabody shame kanti futhi imbono yakhe ihomophobic. Icala-ke lavulwa kwayicala elikhona, kodwa-ke nje kwayinto futhi ekhona la ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, kodwa kwayinto futhi ephelayo nje ephuphayo kanjalo. Kwahamba isikhathi umfana waze wafika isikhathi lakhona ese-aplya manje. U-aplya kuphi? Emabangeni aphezulu emfundo. Uma ngabe aplya emabangeni emfundo aphezulu athathwe kuzo zonke iy'khungo a-aplaye kuzo. Uma ngabe ethathwa zonke iy'khungo a-aplaye kuzo, sekufanele-ke manje enze ama-process akhona ukuthi akayo-certifya, akenze i-police clearance, zonke izinto ey'fana nalezo. Uthena uma wenza i-police clearance kwavela ukuthi cha, wena unecala elenzeka wena la khona owasolwa ukuthi wena ube homophobic, futhi kwafunwa kuwena ifine ya 45,000. Laqala phansi icala. Thema liqala phansi icala, hayi umfana lamgweba. U4 months wavalelwa. Usebuyile-ke manje, kodwa into ithi akakwazi ukuthi angayofunda for the next 5 years. Naye into engiza kuyona-ke manje sengikhuluma nani bashana. Ngikhuluma nani-ke manje njengomzali, ngoba singabazali, ukuthi uyabona uma ngabe bekuya ngami bengizothi ikakhulukazi uma usasesikoleni usafunda awuke ushenxe kancane ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Kodwa-ke siyazi ukuthi lokhu kunzima kinina ngenxa yempilo esikhona njengamanje. Kodwa-ke engathi uma ngabe kakhulukazi futhi ungumuntu othanda ukuphawula ngemfanekiso yakho yenzayo, ake kube khona umuntu omthembayo osekhulile mhlambe ezodlula kuye lemfanekiso a-approve ukuthi-ke cha ungaphanyeka okanye ungephanyeke. Angithi uyezwa-ke manje mshana, ngoba into eyenzakalayo nina nize ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana for fun, for enjoyment. Thina njengomalume no-anti benu sila sibalekela iy'nkinga. Abanye bayadivorce. Omunye ukhulisa ingane angayizali usetholile. Omunye indoda yakhe imithisa umngane wakhe. Kuningi sixakekile yikweletu, siyasebenza, sihola imali engekho, iphela nge-payday imali. Ziningi inkinga. Omunye uzodlela imoto, omunye uzodlela umuzi. So masizela thina sithola ithuba lokucasha, nokungcono-ke kunokuba sicashe idakamizweni, uyabona. But sithola ithuba lokuthi umqondo ongenani ukuthi ukudidiseke, uyabona. Sike sibuke nina nidansa-ke, ninenza izinto lezi-ke ey'fani, sihlekeke, uyabona. Nina nizafa njengoba thina sizafa iy'nkinga. Manje uyothi uyakhuluma kanti vele imudi kamalume ayikho kahle. Imudi kamalume usuyaba-ke njalo umalume akasenandaba noma uyingane noma unjani, athi ngifuna ukukubonisa, athi-ke ngizokhiphela kuwena-ke lolu ulaka nestress. Uthi uyazithuka usunecala usukulesi simo. Ngithemba ukuthi-ke sizofunda esimeni salensizwa. Ngiyazi ukuthi angeke naye kuze kumphathe kabi ukuthi lesi simo sakhe mhlamba abanye sibafundise, sibanikezele ukuthi mhlambe babe nokuqaphela okungaphezulu, ngoba nakho kuyenzeka manje umuntu impilo yakho ayimise sikhandi ziyenzeka.
Have you ever wonder why abantu abagay besheshe babe successful kangaka makuthiwa bathola ithuba empilweni?
mina ngokwami ukubuka ngoba bathandana namantombazane yabona kunzima ukufike ube i-boyfriend 50% mase kuba ubaba womuntu 50%. Esikhathini sanamhlanje izona inkinga esibhekana nazo ezisicindezelayo thina abantu besilisa uthola ukuthi awusakwazi ukufocusa kahle kuwena usufocuse na komunye umuntu yabo. Ama choices amadoda esikhathini sanamhlanje unlimited kakhulu. Amadoda awazazi kanti before amadoda benama choices amaningi including ngisho body count. Amadoda benama choices including ukuthi umuntu uphuma kuliphi ikhaya ubukhethelwe nawo babu wakho intombi ezokugana ukuthi lalela ngendodana sengikhulumile nobaba walapha kaMkhize ukuthi akhulume noma wakhona yabo. Baxoxisana abantu abadala ukuthi wena kuzofanele ugane wengane lapha kaMkhize ngoba istandard nelevel yempilo yale ekhaya iyalingana nakaMkhize. Bafuyile ubaba wakho uneenkomo izingane zakho uyifundisile enyuvesi zinenhlonipho futhi leza izingane. Zonke lezo zinto zayibhekwa. Sina sibheke yonke lonto ukuthi umuntu uphuma kwi background enjani siyathatha nje. Umuntu mamumthanda ubona ukuthi uyakuhlonipha uyamthatha. Leyo nto igcine isilimaza wena kakhulu ngoba ugcina usudraineka kwi-energy. Yabona abantu abakhethayo ukuthi umuntu uphumaphi bane privilege yokuthi generation yakhe elandela uyayigaranti success ngobani kusho ukuthi komalume walezo izingane kuzobe kuabantu abame kahle. Uma ukuthi ingane yami ifundele teaching uma wakhona mhlawumbe uprincipal komalume wengane yami uzokwazi ukuthi uma wakhona umchushisa amfaka emsebenzini undodana wami lo engimfundisa teaching. Izinto njengalezo zayiplanwa kudala. Ubona abantu babehlezi ba successful isikhathi esiningi babe successful. Thina njengamanje awuyibuki yonke lonto leyo ugcina usugaxela kuthiwa indoda must umuntu afuna ukukuphilisa impilo eyahlula ubaba wakhe. Babeyigwema ke lezo zinto abantu bakudala. Thina njengamanje asiyathatha nje. So that is why mina ngithi abantu abagay baba successful kakhulu ngoba bathandana namantombazane. Abayifili le pressure esiyifilayo thina yabo. Yonke into yabo ngathi iyaflow ngoba bayakwazi ukuyinaka bona basheshe bayi-improve impilo yabo mabethola isenti nesenti. Kunzima kabi ukuthi ungafike ube i-boyfriend 50% at the same time ube ubaba womuntu uphi ubaba wakhe. Ngiyayisholo nje ngisho ukuthi ngithini madoda ngabeke senithi usufuna sibe gay yini cha njalo ngibekela umbono nje.
No mfo hayi bafu ngiyamuzwa kodwa no. I think ukuthi they become more successful because even alaba ama gatekeepers to whatever field that you are trying to get into yabo. So most men sleeps with men. Most men vele abekho straight yabo. So if vele uyigayina nani into zakho ziba easy ukuthi vele zenzeke fast cause many men are gay just because
inhliziyo zizibindi namaphaphu.
With all parts of your body.
Ndimthanda blind.
I remember kuphuma usisi wakangikhuza athi kunjani bhuti angikwazi ngibona uphuma nomntana sekhanya kulandela. Ukulandela ngoba indoda lomuntu izokubulala. Ya indoda akusumuntu ofana nawe udlala football impilo yakhe ngenye indlela. Ya usisi uyamazi bekumele akutshele. So lo sisi lo bengime naye ngoba ufuna lento ayifunayo. Wadala umuntu angeke azayenze lento leyo. Understand? So my mangiphuma nale outbe ngihamba nazo bezingigada kakhulu. Zithe maziphuma sizozinkulumo zathi akunamuntu ozomthasha lo muntu. Yabo wathi mara lo mntana wathi ucela for in case sicela nje smooth la. Bese kangithayida kakhulu ukuthi manje ngagcina ngathi amana sambini. For sure sithe masamba ngamdrop ngihamba naye ku Saturday ngamdropa ku Sunday. Monday ngithe ngihleli kusho ukuthi bengivakashe ekhaya. Ngale bekuwabo 4-5. Ngibona iBML grade dlula khulumani. Manje there was two guys phambili emuva. Manje iBM ngibona liyajika yabona. Malijika mabafika la ngakimi liyadlula lipaka kushuthi idlula kancane. Kuvela kushuthi iback seat iyo ephambi kwami. Kwehlisa iwindow bathi ndoda sicela usondele la. Mara labantu abalaphakathi eGrootman angibazi. Ithi ngicela ungene phakathi ngithi phakathi ngikhona ungene. Ayi manje mayithi ingene kuyehlelo yi1 le ikhuluma nami ngibizi boy kunjani bheka la. Yazi yo kahle hle thina sangi kuzokhuluma nawe kumele siqime nje straight. Mayikhuluma nami ingivezele ispam Grootman. Ikhipha skipping like ikhupha skipping ngivezele ispam. Engisibona ithi labantu abala kahle hle besize kukunqamula boy. Uyamazi umuntu so. Isho liyadumene igama lakhe. Ngithi anyamazi. Ithi khuluma iqiniso ithi manje kwenzakaleni uhamba nomfazi womuntu ngithi Grootman ngicela ubuze question. Asithi uyafika endaweni umuntu yakukhalela uzomala na wena. Izusise le ndoda ithi manje labantu engihamba nabo mina nyayizwa kanti le ndoda ehamba nabo nayo enye indoda engithanda kakhulu.
mara ngoba manje amadoda adume ngaleyo nto ithe mangene emotweni itshelela abantu ukuthi amani lo mfana uthi lo muntu yamazi mara nani niyamazi le ntombazana umuntu njani le nto onesitaba fethu kuye kaba ne-debation hlothi bantu mhlawumbe boma-10 minutes ngoba le ndoda ithe ngihambi naceda bangifaka phakathi emotweni ngangena sengiyezwa manje bathi iyabatshela le ndoda phakathi shuthi sebadebate bodwa gcine ngibatshela ngithi mina ngimbizanga lo muntu enakashongo nokuthi unomuntu kimi and lo muntu ugcina batshela lo mjita yena lo yehlile ukuthi mara lo mfana lo iqiniso niyazi sikhuluma ngomuntu webhayi is a football player umuntu owaziwa abantu and ngalelo khulumani ngalelo la ngasindiswa lo mjita lo munye ngoba le madoda lawo etribe wangazisizwa
bebefuna uhambe
yo ngoba bangitshela naphakathi ukuthi endoda ngokuvura ngoba bonke ngakhumula mangena shuthi bebabeka bonke bebaphethe ibhamu boy4 ngoba ngiyamangena abanye bebazibeke phezulu kwakhe shuthi lo phambili bekasibeke phezulu kwakhe nalo hleli ngapha kale nalo phambi kwami lo mjita lo naye wasikhipha wasibeka phambi kwami but wangitshela lo ngoba bekangibrackethile angihlelisele ngalami ngiphuma ngakhona
yazi into bese sithanda ngapha awuzona zidaba nezilwayo yabona lalaba abantu manje lokho bethi power for girls nani yazi bethi khulekile mfethu.
That is so fucking backhanded. Am I supposed to be happy about that?
Oh, it's obvious.
Ingwele nje le.
Serious but kokona bethu khona thotha abanye so like so basobe sixoxa kanje yabo uthi okay isk nani yabo umuntu afeel like offended yabo like why because
no I do get offended actually kanje Zulu men like you guys don't faze me at this point.
Now we Zulu men.
Hey, I'm Zulu. Did I say I'm not?
Oh, why uthi Zulu men ngaphandle?
No, sengiyasho. Oh, nifuna ngithi siyafana. Ngiyabona mina
into eyodwa siyingqwele sonke. Yeah, siyingqwele.
Oh, sidliwa sonke, sidlana sonke. Exactly,
inenzani madoda
angazi ngochipta phadliwe angazi uthi asazi ngutshela bo kodwa utshela
yabona
hle labantu bafuna ukuthi awuyithatha serious lento leyo kwiza kanjani awuyithatha serious ezilike bethu sisibonga lokho bethu yabo ifirst ngabe useyasithusa intontolo yabo nje bethu wena WhatsApp
nisho ngasa nginisuka ngasi ngena lapha ro
manje ima awume
kwakho bekunomngqondo
awukuhle nje igama lakho
manje
igama lami
empilweni yakho yena awukazi ube ne girlfriend no ngisho nakanye
wena empilweni yakho akazi ube ne boyfriend ngisho nakanye
hayi angazi
nama angazi ke musungibuza ngasile
ayisile kanjani
umbuzo okay second question if you don't mind please bengasikhulume ngawe yeso sisi interested sifuna ukunaza ukuthi
ngicabanga nami curious
yabo okay let me
if you don't mind please ayiwovelwe intombazana hayibo
You cannot like that's the whole thingy.
Relax. I don't like him eating it now, bro. Relax. No, I mean honestly, I ain't sure you are even proud to say what he's trying to say is that no, I'm fixing his Zulu now.
Exposed.
3 different types of fathers. Number 1, ile time leli mfethu eluba boqotho mfethu. Leli kusho manje mfethu best father in the world. Ile bathi acting istoxicity isilingana nomhlaba umncane nahamba amatribu kumnandi kunjeyana ku red ku blue ku sweet ku orange. Mfethu le beyikuthanda. Kunama memories amaningi wathi inkinga yale iyashona. Uzwa ngezitori zabantu ubona ama video iyashona. Ngathi uNkulunkulu uyayithatha uthi hey baba lengane le ine destiny yokungabi nobaba. Why kanti lezi ama best fathers ziyavaya lezi ziyavaya emhlabeni mfethu. Ziyahamba mfethu zihamba una 5 6. Uzwa ngogogo wakho ubabakho bekakuthanda. Ubabakho. Marivayile. Mara lesi understand best father the shortest time 5 years of your life bisiyahamba. Uyayithola. Number 2 ile shonile. Le ayikuthi ishonile naye. Na ile ishona endleleni. Le ishona endleleni eyakude kunawe. Yashona endleleni ehamba eyakude kunawe. Ile boma kuphi kwezinye kwamanye ama province mfethu. lapha ikhoma ngawe mfethu lapha ya mina umntana umsekana 11 ulingana nawe sekangaka itshela amanye ama step sons wayo seyi step father le kude le yona iyabheda mfethu deadbeat father. Number 3 yiyo yona le yashona endleleni ngisho seyi step father kwenye indawo ubaba walabantwana abanye le mfethu ile ifika empilweni yakho na 18 sokuthi sehamba iba i-step father siba inama experience ukuba i-step father ifika empilweni yakho na 18 ifika inibekela ama rules kini mfethu le ithida awuyifrostani or wena ifrostani wena akwenzeke ukuthi nifrostanane mfethu nifrostanana mangabe nibona uma Olid yabona enza ngathi mara uyayibona ilugo nasana usingane yabo le ize nama suggestion bengicabanga ukuthi lapha eroomini laka Therese siyenza igarage kanjani indlande emarumini asihleni njengamndeni ifika ichinji izama ukuthi senze happy family nyana yombhedo yevision yakhe le mfethu umalumbaba awuyibizi ngumbiza ngomalume akwenzeki ukuthi uyibize ngo-time le mfethu uma kwenzeka ukuthi khona into wrong ngawe mhlambe basola ukuthi ujontshile izacala iyaphinyezela ifisa ngathi bangakuqosha lapha ekini ijontshile le ntwana le iphi 100 rand yambila ihlala i-accuse le one le sile le one le isile and igcina seyithena ne-Olid lakha against wena so kune-war silent niyalo mara nichampisile Olid sometime mara nalo ligcina libona ukuthi yeyi lo baba westepiso inkinga.
Hello.
Abangibambe inkunzi izolo baqede basangijive.
Abangibambe inkunzi izolo maqede bathi angijive.
Bajike bangiqabule ngizobathola.
Bajike bangiqabule ngizobathola.
Angilifulanga icala ngiyayisola i-ex yami.
Angilivulanga icala ngiyayisola i-ex yami.
Namhlanje ngo-12 ngiya kudokotela wami.
Ngiyayisola i-ex yami namhlanje ngo-12 ngiya kudokotela wami.
Ngiyakudokotela ke manje uyongiklina amathe.
Ngiyakudokotela namhlanje uyongiklina amathe.
Angiyange emaphoyiseni ngizozibambela mina mathupha.
Angiyange emaphoyiseni ngizoyibambela mina mathupha.
A few moments later.
And this is the end of today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out for you for clicking the video. Please do like the video and do subscribe if you haven't. Niyazba fitting in Tanda Nonke. Peace, love and light. I'll catch you on the next one.